Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae singer Buju Banton recently completed the third leg of his Long Walk to Freedom tour in Trinidad's capital, Port of Spain, on Sunday. The concert's second leg was in the Bahamas last month. Buju Banton's stay in the Twin Island Republic was invaded by a police raid on his hotel room at the Hilton Trinidad on Saturday afternoon. Buju shared the incident on his Instagram account, which drew widespread criticism and prompted Commissioner of Police Gary Griffith to visit the singer and apologize for the incident. Griffith also joined the singer on stage at the Queen's Park Savannah, Port of Spain, where the two sought to mend strained relations between Jamaica and Trinidad. That did not dampen Buju Banton's performance, as he delivered an exceptional set, performing a slew of his hit songs for close to 2 hours. The next leg of the tour will see Buju jetting off to Barbados on Saturday for a performance at the Kensington Oval in Bridgetown, then to Suriname on May 4, Grenada on May 11, the British Virgin Islands on May 15, and St. Kitts on June 29. Following these Caribbean dates, Buju Banton will head to Europe. Among the stops are Germany for Summer Jam, Amsterdam, Zurich, among others. Buju Banton will also headline Reggae Sumfest in Montego Bay come July 20. Jamaican DJ and producer Kick Rocks has inked a publishing deal with American music publishing company Warner Chappell Music Inc. In a news release, Kick Rocks stated that he is honored to be recognized by one of the top music publishers in the world. He also added that this has taken his career to a whole new level. Warner Chappell Music Inc. was formed in San Antonio, Texas back in 1987. In 2010, publishing agency Music and Copyright ranked it the world's third largest music publisher. Warner Chappell's catalog has over 100 million compositions and 65,000 composers, with offices in over 40 countries. Kick Rocks has done production work for major US-based record labels like Atlantic Records, Motown, and Big Beat, as well as British label XL Recordings. Production credentials are the World Fat Rhythm, which features songs by Wizkid, Vybz Kartel, Charlie Black, Conscience, and Massacre, among others. Kick Rocks is currently working with producers including Dale Dizzle Virgo on several projects, which includes his upcoming album. Dancehall artist Tommy Lee Sparta has surprised his fans with the release of a new album, Reincarnation. The 12-track project was released yesterday on all streaming platforms. The album Reincarnation features tracks like Be Free, Interlude, Redemption Song, Kingdom Come, among others. This new album comes on the heels of Tommy Lee Sparta's new deal with Boss Lady Music. Reincarnation is the follow-up to Tommy Lee's 2018 album New Creator. Over the Easter weekend, Tommy Lee was one of the headline acts on the annual staging of St. Anne's Kite Festival. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.